Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Money Mentor, where we make personal finance straightforward and fun. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss any of our handy financial tips. Today, we're tackling a big topic: how to save money on a tight budget. It might sound challenging, but I promise it's totally doable. Let's dive right in. How to save money on a tight budget, tips and tricks. Whether you're trying to save up for something special or just need to make your paycheck stretch a bit further, these practical tips will help you make the most of your money. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Create a realistic budget. First things first, you need to know exactly where your money is going. Creating a realistic budget is essential. Start by listing all your sources of income and then detail your expenses. Categorize them into needs like rent, utilities, and groceries, and wants like dining out and subscriptions. Host using a budgeting app on a smartphone. Apps like Mint or YNAB can make this process easier. They help you track your spending and adjust your budget as needed. 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Next, it's time to trim the fat. Look at your wants category and see where you can cut back. Maybe it's reducing how often you eat out or canceling a subscription you don't really use. Small changes can add up. For instance, brewing your own coffee at home instead of buying it daily can save you a surprising amount over time. 3. Use coupons and discounts. Who doesn't love a good deal? Using coupons and taking advantage of discounts can significantly cut your expenses. Check out websites and apps like Honey or RetailMe for the latest deals and promo codes. Also, don't forget to sign up for store loyalty programs. They often offer exclusive discounts and rewards. 4. Plan your meals. Meal planning is a game changer when it comes to saving money. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. This helps you avoid impulse buys and reduces food waste. Cooking at home is generally cheaper and healthier than eating out, so try to make it a habit. 5. Set up an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from dipping into savings or going into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. Aim to save a small amount each month until you have a cushion of at least $500 to $1,000. It doesn't have to be a huge amount, just something to fall back on in a pinch. 6. Reduce utility bills. Cutting down on utility bills can make a noticeable difference. Simple changes like unplugging electronics when they're not in use, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and adjusting your thermostat can lower your bills. Every little bit helps, so be mindful of your energy usage. 7. Find free or low-cost entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to break the bank. Look for free or low-cost activities in your area. Many communities offer free events, local parks, or even free classes and workshops. Explore options like hiking, visiting museums on free days, or joining community events. 8. Negotiate bills and debt. Sometimes, all it takes is asking. Contact your service providers and see if you can negotiate a better rate on things like cable, internet, or insurance. You'd be surprised how often they're willing to offer discounts. Also, if you have outstanding debts, consider reaching out to creditors to negotiate better repayment terms. 9. Use cashback and rewards programs. Cashback and rewards programs can be a great way to save money on your everyday purchases. Look for credit cards with cashback offers or sign up for loyalty programs at your favorite stores. Just be sure to use these responsibly to avoid interest charges and fees. 10. Track your progress. Finally, keep track of your savings and spending. Monitoring your progress helps you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Every bit of savings adds up. Helpful tips. Here are a few more tips to keep in mind. 1. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. 2. Stay organized. Keep receipts and track your spending. 3. Avoid impulse purchases. Wait 24 hours before buying non-essential items. Subscribe for more money-saving tips. That's it for today's guide on saving money on a tight budget. I hope these tips help you stretch your dollars further and reach your financial goals. If you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to your channel name for more practical financial advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.